Yeah, darling, you're home? How was your evening?
I had so much fun. I met so many new people, and there was like a really cute guy there as well.
Hmm.
He actually invited me to a different house party next week, but I'll let you know if I'm gonna go anyways.
Okay, well, as long as you're taking care, you're young, live your life, okay?
Ah,
Oh,
nandito na po ako.
ano oras na? Umuwi ka pa. Kung kailan ako pumayag na lumabas ka, pinagsamantalahan mo pa.
Nandun naman po sila, Tita Baby, tsaka si Kuya JR ah.
Sumasagot ka? Ha? Wala akong pakialam kung nandun yung tita baby mo, chismosa yun. Tapos ganyan pa yung suot mo? Mukha akong bruha. Sige na, umakyat ka na at magpasalamat ka hindi ko dinobolak yung pintuan. Ano yung hawak mo?
Pansit po.
Microwave mo yan. Gina, umakyat ka Pinagsamantalahan mo pa. Pinagsamantalahan mo pa. Kung kailan ako pumayag na lumabas ka, si